Okay, so I just soldered in these wires coming out of this black wire because I didn't get a wiring diagram. There's a red wire coming out of here, right? That red wire is for the high beam. It goes to the green with the yellow. So red goes to green and yellow. Then there's a green wire coming out of here. It goes to the orange. Right here, that's the turn signal, left turn signal. The black wire coming out of this goes into the green wire, into the Honda. That's the ground for the system. There's a white wire coming out of here, right? That white wire is for just the regular driving light. That hooks to the brown, right there, the brown wire. That's just your regular driving light. And then there's a yellow wire coming out of here, which is for the right turn signal, and it hooks to the baby blue right there. So I soldered them in, plugged in this connection. I took this connector off the old wiring harness. Now let's test the back. Okay. Put the key in, should turn on the driving light. There it is, nice and good. Let's test the turn signal. Turn signals work good. Let's check the brake. Brake light seems to be working good. So there you go, we got it hooked up.